Alright, so as you can see earlier, I was in their lobby from the proof earlier, and all of a sudden it just like kicked me offline. And now I can't get to the servers. My teammate is also telling me he couldn't connect to the servers too, which now I seem to be having trouble. Like, so I think this might be a server issue. Okay. What the fuck? They're trying to say we forfeit first map. Like, no, we don't. I mean, ask these kids for an invite. Like, I joined like their game and like they're playing or some shit. Like, I don't even know. There's my teammate joined too, so we might actually be able to play this. We have to see. Oh, you see here, look, it just. How about your lobby? So we're all in here now, so now we just need them to start it. What? What? Yeah, I know. It like just ended. Oh, you see, look, they just dropped the hose. They get the message. Yeah, they kicked. Yeah, they actually just kicked us. So yeah, I think that's like clear enough proof that they're not trying to play. I'm gonna join back. See, they're not switching teams. And this is like way past time. Yeah, I got a message from him. He said, I don't even know, like, we're in their game. Like like they're refusing to start. I tell him, you're refusing to start. We're gonna get the win if it goes to ticket, but we won't to play. See, look, they're refusing to start. I'm telling them that they're refusing to start. they're refusing to switch teams. Like I don't even know. Like we're in here. Okay, you can tell this guy's not playing G. Like, what are they doing? You see, look, they just kicked us again. I got a message from them. Okay, so I guess they're just saying bullshit now. You know, I'm gonna try joining back one more time. Like, I don't even care. Like I'll play if we're Black Ops. Like I don't even. I just want to fucking play these kids. Go in Black Ops, Keith. Let's see if they'll start it then. Like I just want to fucking play. Keebler. Oh my. Here we go. Okay, so you can see here, like they don't even play just cat. I'll be putting proof in. So I think it's been more than long enough to prove valid no-show proof. Like and they're still not starting it. So or no-show, they won't start it proof. So yeah, thanks for the win.